Assalamualaikum. My name is Batmina and I'm going to be making barbecue chicken today in the oven. I won't be grilling this, and I'll teach you guys how to make this and still have that smoky flavor. So in a bowl, I cut up one whole chicken. I washed this and I took the skin off. I cut the legs in half, the leg and thigh in half, and then I scored each piece, scored that, and I scored the legs. I absolutely did not want to touch that. So in this bowl, I have a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of chili flakes, teaspoon of black pepper, a half teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of beef bouillon, which that is right there. It's a salty whatever. Anyways, and then a teaspoon of chili powder. No, paprika. I'm gonna add this to the chicken. And in this right here, I have a blend of green onions, parsley, garlic, habanero peppers. Oh, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. And I'll just write on the screen how much of each is in this. Anyways, I'm gonna add about 2 spoons of this to the chicken mixture, and then I'm gonna mix this all up. You want to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. So this is what the chicken is gonna look like once it's all flavored, and we're gonna transfer it to a baking pan and into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm actually gonna transfer it into here so that I don't have to wash dishes, and that will just go in the trash. We're not gonna add the barbecue sauce yet, so don't worry. Barbecue sauce will be included, okay? I'm gonna cover this with foil, and it's gonna go into the oven for 30 minutes with foil on it. Then we're gonna take the foil off and let it cook again for another 30 minutes without the foil. The chicken has been in the oven for about an hour. The chicken is not ready, so we're gonna cover that back up and let it cook. The chicken is ready. I'm gonna put this barbecue sauce on top of there and then let it cook with the foil off. So just want to mix this all up and then put it back. So you're gonna put it in the broiler on high and just put that in there and watch it. So this is what it's gonna look like, and then you want to flip all of them and get the other side to look the same as this. So this is the chicken. I kind of left it in there for too long, and it's charred, but I like burnt chicken. Anyways, this looks beautiful. Now I'm gonna show you how to get this smoky. You're gonna get a piece of foil like this and fold it up and just make like a bed. This is gonna be the bed for your coal, and we're gonna set this right in the middle, right there. And before you do this, you want to make sure you have something to cover it really quickly, okay? So I'm gonna get some coal, and we're gonna put it on the stove top. Turn that on and let the coal spark up. I'm gonna get some foil out so I can cover this fast. This is where the smoky flavor is gonna come. So now that this coal is ready, you can just blow on it. It's hot. I'm gonna put this in the center like that. And cooking oil right on top. and then cover it really quickly. What? So, and you're just gonna leave this until it stops smoky. It's been about 15 minutes. And it's gonna be perfectly smoky.